The microstrand technology is looking for demonstrators. A demonstrator can earn 50% off or even free, depending on their level of how they demonstrate the microstrand technology. So if you're interested in demonstrating the microstrand technology, you will be able to get this technology to make your hair fuller in a purely natural way, keeping your own hair safe and healthy by demonstrating this, because the world needs to know more detail about each client and what their experience is. Now, you have to qualify to become a demonstrator for this technology. At times, we need demonstrators that have very long hair, mid-length hair, semi-short hair, very short hair. We need demonstrators to show that the microstrand could be extra full, medium full like mine, or even subtle fill-ins to make it look like you're still thin. These are all the different types of demonstrators we need to provide details to the public, showing different personalities, different textures, different hair types, different hair volumes to the public, because the public needs to know about this advanced technology. Now, all you have to do is contact us and we'll see if you qualify. If you receive this video, the demonstrator option is available for the next 2 days. Simply contact us and we'll see if you qualify. Thank you.